What is crack-a-lackin'? Do people still say that? What's up, everyone? It's Robert Tyrell deep inside the YMD Video Vault, bringing you another free video all about imagery. Now, spoiler alert, I'm gonna talk about stock photos, like you already didn't know that. Before I do, though, I'd like to shamelessly plug some of our paid content in the YMD Video Vault, where we go into detail in a video called Pictures Done Right. In that video, we always recommend, when possible, to take your own photos, shoot your own videos, and make your ads as personal as you can. If you'd like to learn how to unlock more content, links are down below in the description. All right, now for some photo booth fun. Stock photos can be used when real photos aren't available. Maybe it's a quick video slide, a background in your Canva creation, part of an email, or a cover photo. There's quite a few free resources I'd like to share with you on where to find stock images, so let's get photo hunting. Google. You can type a keyword you're looking for, let's say doorstop, and hit enter. Click on the Images tab and bam! A humongous photo library. Hang on a second though. Don't just go taking any old photo. That's a no-no. Go to the Tools tab, click on Usage Rights, and select Labeled for Reuse. Once you find that perfect doorstop photo you'd like to use, just right-click and save image as. These photos are available to reuse for a business and not worry about getting letters from lawyers. Now, as a disclaimer, I'm not a lawyer and not giving any legal advice, so always do your own research. Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash. These three sites are royalty-free image libraries where you can search for just about anything. No attribution is required. The images are available for personal and commercial use. Donations are appreciated. Use these images not as your main creative strategy. We still suggest using real photos and videos of the business you're working with, but stock imagery can complement elements of your website, emails, landing pages, social media ads, cover photos, and so on. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the group, and be sure to share how you're using your stock photos to complement your projects. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out all of our free content in our unit section of this group in the YMD Video Vault. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.